Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable speech to text on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down and click on voice input. After click on voice input, if you want to enable speech to text on keyboard, so click on Google voice typing. After click on Google voice typing, you will see speech to text keyboard is enabled. After enable speech to text keyboard, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable speech to text on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.